Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix fingerprint issues on the MacBook Pro. So first of all, from the top left corner of your screen, open the Apple menu. From the drop-down menu, click on System Settings. Once the settings window opens, scroll down from the left side and find Touch ID and Password. Now click on it to open. The best way to fix fingerprint issues is to remove the old fingerprint and create a new one. So here, click on Add Fingerprint. First, you will need to enter your MacBook password to complete the verification process. After that, place your finger on the power button on your keyboard. Now repeatedly lift and rest your finger on the power button so your MacBook can scan different parts of your fingerprint properly. Keep following the on-screen instructions until the scanning process is complete. Once the fingerprint setup is finished, click on Done. Now the new fingerprint has been added successfully, and you can also rename it according to your preference. Below that, you will also see different features that can use your fingerprint, such as unlocking your MacBook, using Apple Pay, or autofilling passwords. If you do not want to use Touch ID for any specific feature, you can simply disable it by turning off the toggle next to that option. And that's it. This is how you can fix fingerprint issues on a MacBook Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.